hit something and you can't go anymore. Oh, honey, just stand up and keep going. Okay, come here. Come here. Let's do it again. There you go. You can walk now. He's happy. He's got a smile on his face when he's pushing it. But heaven forbid it gets stuck against something.